So I made some updates to my custom VTuber avatar. I've written this in Python all from scratch and using facial recognition to control the eyes. So looking left, right, closing my eyes, squinting, etc. I tried using the facial recognition for my mouth, but it would always come out weird. Like it always did this like open wide screaming mouth. So I think I think using sort of the mesh facial recognition is not either my camera's just terrible and not high resolution enough, or the software can't really determine between like a normal talking mouth and a screaming bloody murder for your life mouth. So now it just kind of animates and reacts to me talking. So it's using my microphone. And today I've also added something else. I've added a new layer of puppeteering. I have hands. So I'm actually using a gamepad to move the hands around so they can move around in their own kind of like dedicated areas. Now, my art style is detached hands anyway, so it worked out well that I don't really have arms. My character doesn't have arms. So I'm just moving the hands around and they're kind of free floating blobs. But if I click if I click the trigger on the controller, I can pick up objects. They have some physics, but eventually I want to gamify my whole rig here. But just starting out, I can pick up the skull and move the skull. Whee! I've been working on kind of like some activating certain, got it turned off, activating some special emotions, but that's still a work in progress. I could also, with the directional pad, move my character around. Again, just more puppeteering options, and I think I'd like to have it where I can zoom in and out. I think that'll be handy, because eventually I'd like to have my character like entirely in like it's sort of a dynamic 2D world. So right now I just have kind of like a subtle background that changes color and waves based on my vocal input. But it would be really cool to have like interaction if I'm like live streaming, so people could chat and, maybe cause props to generate, or if I have a transparent background, I can show kind of things I'm working on, which I guess is kind of the point of having an avatar. So you can actually see the projects, and my projects currently are kind of just in a wait and hold sort of state because I'm waiting for some new components to come in to do my my DIY Euro rack. So I've been working on this. So yeah, so it's VTuber avatar that I've kind of gamified and want to do some fun stuff with. I wish the skull had physics so I could like throw it. Ugh. Right now I let go and I just drop it. I want it to like maintain the momentum of my hand. So anyway. Oh, I also did like an idle animation too, where the character bobs up and down. Oh, I also redesigned my character a little bit. Look, got like cyber locks. I'm going into like a cybergoth phase. Pixie Roo going to a cybergoth phase. Anyway, just thought I'd share. Thought this is amusing. Thanks so much for watching.